Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Harley-Davidson Screaming Eagle CVO Street Glide with 38,898 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a windshield, Vance & Hines exhaust, Screaming Eagle air cleaner, detachable tour pack docking hardware, diamond cut heads, a timing cover, headlight conversion, LED headlight and LED passing lamps, primary cover, speaker trim, upgraded seat, radio trim, accessory switch trim, rear floorboards, and a RAM mount. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. The popularity of the Street Glide is undeniable. You see them everywhere, and you know when you see them. The CVO Street Glide takes this iconic bagger and pushes it in a factory custom direction with tasteful details, a sleek paint set, and a bigger motor. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin engine, the CVO Street Glide puts 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 809 pounds and has a 27.2 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.